So you're thinking about moving to Houston, Texas. Well, if so, you are in the right place, because today we're in one of the hottest neighborhoods located right outside of Houston in a growing area of Richmond, Texas. This neighborhood is called Candela, and it's brought to you by Johnson's Development. Now, today we're going to be looking at 3 stunning and beautiful homes. These homes are featured at different price points, different sizes, so that hopefully you can find something that matches to what your family is looking for. Now, we want you to stay tuned till the very end, because at the very end of this video, I'm gonna let you in on one of the best kept secrets about Candela neighborhood. Thanks for tuning in. Hey guys, if this is the first time you're tuning in to the Living in Houston channel, we wanna make sure that you get all the latest updates on all of our videos about living in Houston, Texas. Now, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and click the bell so that you get all the latest updates. Now, today we're going on an exciting tour of Candela neighborhood. Hey guys, my name is Danny DePetta, and I'm a realtor with Bayou City Realty, and I'm here with the Living in Houston channel. And every single day we help families just like yours move to Houston, Texas. Now, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, don't hesitate to reach out to us. All of our contact information is listed below in the description. Please reach out to us today. So what makes Candela one of the hottest neighborhoods outside of Houston, Texas? Well, there are a few things that come to mind. The beautiful resort style pool, the splash pad, all of the amenities, the fitness center, in addition to being located in one of the top school districts in the Houston area, Lamar Consolidated. Our first property on this tour today is a showstopper. And as you can hear in the background, they're building a lot of homes in this community, and you don't want to miss this property. It is brought to you by Weston Homes. It is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3,000 square foot property. It's priced at $672,000 and is going for $175 a square foot. Now, you don't want to miss this property because it combines beautiful elegance at an affordable price. Come on, let's go take a look inside. Our second property of the day is another stunning home that was built by Weston Homes. This property is slightly smaller than the last one we looked at, but still is packed with full of upgrades, and it's very elegant. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath property that's 2,900 square feet. This property is priced at $669,000. That's $180 a square foot. Come inside, let's take a look at this beautiful property. Hey guys, we're here at our third and final property on Denebola Way. Now, this property is the crown jewel of all the properties that I've shown you today. It's brought to you by Perry Homes. This property is priced at $749,000. That breaks down to $197 a square foot. This property boasts 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage, and is located on one of the largest lots in the neighborhood. So let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful property. Hey guys, thanks for staying tuned to the very end of this video. Now I did reveal one of the best kept secrets about this neighborhood, Candela, here in Richmond, Texas, and they have a dedicated director of lifestyle. That means they have a full calendar of community events for your kids, for your family, for you to enjoy as you make your home in this beautiful neighborhood. Thanks.